Hello, good evening. Sob ke Nagaland Times News Channel te welcome kuri ase. Notun thakse kule subscribe aro share kuri diwi. Ajila first update ase Dimapur Sumi Student Union to concern raise kuri ase child molester culprit repeated school Dimapur principal medical care release bail pa karni question raise kuri ase. DSSU press statement te union to question kuri ase kinika 4 years old girl molester principal to 2013-14 medical certificate te bail pa ase kuina. DSSU2 notice concern kuri dishe Children Protection from Sexual Offences Amendment Bill 2019 has up to non-bail offences ase Section 12 Act kugena stated kuri dishe. Court to Justice to Family aru 4 years old girl kange dia nai kugena press statement te koi dishe. DSSU to rightful citizen aru organization khanke kotha ulabole kwa ase inika cases normal kuri dishe koile alak bacha khange bi abuse harassment rape aru murder ho jabo lobra culprit khanke free kuri dishe koile aru DSSU to State Commissioner for Protection of Child Right Nagaland ke justice to innocent child ke anibole koi thagya khoborte update kuri dia ase. Inika reputed school principal Dimapur pra mokhan last sister ke mulis kurgena mokhan tu chipcha boy thakya tu nohobo itu karni sob citizen bra voice raise kurgena justice tu anibole aid kuri dia ase. Next update ase Nagaland Medical Dealer Association to members khan ke COVID related dawai tu normal price pra pikabole koi dia ase. Itu second wave COVID-19 pandemic situation te Medical Dealer Association to members khan ke COVID related medicine aru surgical equipment to MRP maximum retail price opor napikabole jonai dia ase. NMDA statement te alak malpractices to na kurbole koi dishe aru unauthorized manukhan to pharmacy surveillance number check kurgena members khan ke harassment kurbole allowed nai koigena khobor pa hisab update kuri dia ase. Next ase Kashmiri 6 years old girl to Prime Minister Modi ke appeal kura ase itu lockdown te tala homework nimite. Itu pandemic period te sob manu choto bra dangor khan routine to same thake sati kan ge bi lukrubole na pare korte hi boibol lagibo online class attend kurbo khabo gumabo itu karni Prime Minister Modi ke appeal kuri thake ase. To social media te video 6 years old laga viral hoi ase video clip hesab tu tai tu hota 6 am to 2 pm tak online class loi thake English maths Urdu EVS aro kam bishi thakya ko ase kinika bacha khan ke iman bishi homework di thake Modi sab koigena 6 years old girl Modi ke appeal kuri ase aro clip te choto bacha tu mo khan tu ki kurbo koigena question kuri ase Prime Minister Modi ke to lockdown pra left right sob ke effect hua ase ita tak choto bacha Kashmiri girl ke Sri Modi to response no dia khoborte update kuri dia ase. Next ase Dimapur Media Council President bra lead kurina women wins aro youth wins khan to breakfast items frontline workers Dimapur khan ke bakuri dishe. Aro General Secretary to Meet Citizen of Dimapur khan ke itu pandemic te age aiyena nidi khan ke modob kurvi ko gena koi dia khoborte update kuri dia ase. Next ase teen climate activist Lisi Priya Baba KK sin arrest kuri loise illegal funds student khan ke collection cases nimite. Khobor hisab to join operation to Manipur police aro ala khan rakhi gena Dr. KK sin arrest kuri loise. KK sin to fake documents aru signature khan cholagena earthquake rescue relief family khan nimite ase koigena crore international youth committee la number national international te fund kale kurloise koina khobor pa ase aru tai to fake documents logena prominent showcase kuri berai aru evidence pa karni Manipur pra Delhi te polagena lukai jaise holepi police pra ta ge thorgena investigation to rakhi takya khoborte update kuri dia ase. Next ase aji morning Mizoram te earthquake hit kura khobor pa ase. Khobor pa hesab tu aji morning 1:19 am phale 4.7 magnitude Richter scale 136 km east Champai district Mizoram te hit kuri dishe aro National Center for Seismology report hesab tu earthquake to 80 km depth te aha koi dishe ita tak iku phanga phangi tu nai aro detail khobor rukhe ase. Next ase Delhi government to liquor khan home delivery kuribole jonai dishe. Khobor pa hesab tu national capital government to license holders khan to app na holepi website pra order kurigena liquor khan to doorstep te deliver kuribole Delhi excise rules 2021 hesab te pass kuri dishe. Aro permit holders khan to open space terrace courtyard club bar aro restaurants te delivery kuribole parbo holepi hostel office institution te ban thakya notification pa sab update kuri dia ase next ase khata pra India COVID-19 update kuri dibo Union Health Minister report hesab to India COVID-19 to 54 days pichete lowest record ho jaise within 24 hours te 1,27,510 notun cases aro 2,795 death record ho jaise Ita Union Health Minister report has up to India COVID-19 total confirmed cases to 2,81,75,044 recover bra 2,59,47,429 active case bra 18,95,520 aro murjato hule 3,31,895 hoja khoborte update kuri dia ase Ajila last update de ase Ramdev aro Indian Medical Association to bishi controversy de ase IMD statement de no political were all about science koi dishe khobor hesab to India Medical Association 3.5 lakh members aro 1,700 unit khanbra complaint load kura pichete Health Minister Harish Wardin to Yoga Baba Ramdev ke publicity criticize kura ase allopathy medicine nimite Baba Ramdev statement te allopathy medicine stupid science pra 10,000 doctors aro lakh manu khan vaccine dubar mara pichete murja koi dishe Baba Ramdev aro Indian Medical Association machete controversy dangor ja ase IMA General Secretary Dr. Jayesh Lelitu Health Minister ke itu issue karni Prime Minister Modi response ruka ase kuina khobor te ko update kuri dia ase aro ajila update yate bra khotom kura ase sob manu take care stay safe